Hi everyone, this is Kim from KILA Create Printables and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm working on my Antique Couture journal. If you haven't already seen the videos in this series, you might like to check them out on my channel. I've got a few videos now where I showed you how to make this lovely fabric cover and sew in the signatures, and as well as I did some page decorating, and in my last video I did some folded pockets. So I'll put the link to the playlist for that down below so that you can check those out, and if you haven't already seen them, you probably might like to go and watch them, just so that you can catch up with where we're at with this journal. Okay, so today I wanted to do some more pockets, but I want to do something a little bit different with the pockets that come in the kit. So there's the journal kit and the add-on kit, and both of those have quite a few pockets that you can use throughout the journal in any way that you wish. But I thought today, instead of just decorating them and sticking them to a page, I thought I might try and do something a little bit different with them and do some flip out type pockets. So I'm going to do 3 different types using the pockets that come in the kit. So I'll put the journal aside for now. I've got here, these are in the add-on kit. These are some slot pockets, and they come on the page just like this with their little extra pocket that goes on top. So what I've done with these, I've cut them all out and I've actually printed them out twice. So my plan for this is I'd love to make a waterfall slot pocket. So I'm going to back these with some of the decorative paper. I think this decorative paper was also in the add-on kit. So I'm going to put the pockets on top of this so that we can see this paper through the slots, and then I'm going to make some little tabs at the top so that I can put them on my page and make a waterfall. So sit back, grab a cup of tea or coffee or your drink of choice and follow along, and I'll see how I go with putting this together. Okay, so I'm really pleased with how this is going, and I really love that there's lots of space here to put all sorts of things in when I get to doing some more ephemera and that sort of thing. But I'm not really a fan of how we can't see where this pocket is. So usually I would probably swap them around and use the opposite pockets on the front of these, but I sort of didn't really want that to sort of show down here. So what I thought I might do is I've got this scrap, and I thought I might just cut some strips and slip them into the tops of those pockets, just so that we can see that it is actually a pocket. So I'll do that and see what it looks like. Okay, for my second pocket, what I've got here are the slanted pockets from the add-on kit, the large ones, and also the two slanted pockets from the journal kit. So what I plan to do with this is I want to layer these, but I want to make this a double-sided pocket that has, so on the front here and then in between and then on the other side as well. And I want to make this a flip so that it flips out of the journal. So I've got a scrap here from doing the Waterfall slotted pockets, and I'm going to use this as a hinge to attach this to my page. So let's see how I go with this one. Okay, for this one I'm using the layered pocket that's in the journal kit, and I'm planning to simply put that together. I've got some of the printable paper from the add-on kit, and I'm going to back the pocket with this and make a flip down for one of the pages. Now this piece of paper here, I've got, I had a little bit of trouble with my printer and I ended up with a paper jam and it came out not looking so great. So I hate to waste things, so I thought that this side still doesn't look too bad. So I thought I might just cut a section off this to make a pocket for this side of the flip down. Thank you for watching this KILA Create Printables tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed crafting along with me as I made these flip out pockets for my Antique Couture journal. The pockets are now ready for me to fill with some ephemera. You might like to check the description down below for links to my Etsy store, where you can find all of the Antique Couture kits, as well as lots of other printables. Come and find my Facebook group as well, where you can join in lots of crafting fun, and I give away a stack of freebies every month. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more crafting videos.